हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे एथिक्स ऑफ नर्सिंग। द एथिक्स वर्ड is Greek word formed by ethos. The meaning of ethos is the science of moral duty और ideal human character। देखो, इसका मतलब ये है कि नैतिक शिक्षा क्या गलत है और क्या सही है, इसके बीच का जो डिफरेंस है वो एथिक्स कहलाता है। इसलिए नर्सिंग में कुछ एथिक्स हैं। ये एक फिलोसॉफिकल आइडियल ऑफ राइट एंड रॉन्ग बिहेवियर। ये इसेंशियल क्यों हैं, क्यों इनकी रिक्वायरमेंट है? इसमें है पर्सनल गुडनेस, मोरल बिहेवियर, राइटियस, जस्टिस, हॉनेस्टी, रूल एंड रेगुलेशन ऑफ कंडक्ट, प्रिंसिपल्स, एटीट्यूड एंड वैल्यूज। What is the ethics? A system of rules or principles that are used to guide human behavior, guiding force in the development, implementation, and evaluation of nursing practice since the Florence Nightingale era. वाई नर्सिंग कोड ऑफ एथिक्स, इनकी रिक्वायरमेंट हमें क्यों पड़ी? एथिक्स इंक्लूड वैल्यूज, कोड्स एंड प्रिंसिपल एट गवर्न डिसीजंस इन द नर्सिंग प्रैक्टिस, गाइड फॉर एक्शन बेस्ड ऑन सोशल वैल्यूज एंड नीड्स, प्रोवाइड मीन्स टू प्रोफेशनल स्टैंडर्ड्स, formal guidelines for the professional action, basis for self-regulation and relationship with others, evaluating the merits, risks, and social concerns. Ethical principles are necessary to guide to the professional development. Next one is the recommendation of code of ethics for nurses is the institutes or organizations which are as the International Council for Nurses, we are now same as ICN code of ethics, American Nurses Association, Canadian Nurses Association, Trained Nurses Association of India TNAI, Indian Nursing Council INC, the ICN code of ethics for nurses permeable by International Council of Nurses. These are nurses have for fundamental responsibilities to promote health, to prevent illness, to restore health, to alleviate suffering. We are discussing one by one. The promote health is involve health education. Next one is to prevent illness is such as vaccinations, to restore health during the any disease conditions, and alleviate sufferings. If someone is suffering from disease, then we will help in alleviating their health. अब next one is ethics principles. The ethical principle of nursing is, first one is autonomy, beneficence, non-maleficence, confidentiality, double effect, fidelity, justice, paternalism, respect for persons, sanctity of life, veracity, informed consent. According to ICN Code of Ethics. First one is autonomy. The definition of autos is self and nomos means roles. It's a person independence and self-reliance. People should have control on their own lives. Individuals' right of self-determinations for making decisions. Freedom of choices, informed consent, right to know procedure, complications, other